Learn how to create a beautiful, animated warning dialog using Jetpack Compose with clean layout, gradient style, and responsive UI best practices. Welcome! In this Jetpack Compose Multiplatform tutorial, we'll build a stylish warning dialog with a smooth animated gradient, a responsive layout, and modular code, perfect for confirmation or alert screen. First, we import all the essential Compose tools, like layout elements, animation functions, material icons, and the dialog window component. Inside the dialog, we use box with constraints to make the layout adaptive. We apply animated scale and alpha to the card, making the dialog feel lively and smooth. This icon section uses an animated scale for a smooth entrance. On desktop, the icon is enlarged to improve visibility and hierarchy. Here we define the title and message section with responsive font sizes. The layout remains centered and legible, even across screen sizes. The button section adapts to screen size, stacked vertically for phones and laid out horizontally on larger devices. Both buttons use a clean, reusable function. Finally, we give the dialog a modern gradient background and smooth entrance animations using animateFloatAsState. Constants help keep the styles consistent. Here's the final result: a responsive, animated, and beautiful dialog ready to be dropped into any Compose app. Clean, modern, and easy to reuse. Step 1. Meet the gradient warning dialog, a pop-up with a warning, title, and a message about stuff you can't undo. You can change it and set what buttons do. It fits phones to desktops. Step 2. It fades in and grows a bit, super smooth under a second, with a fun bounce. Step 3. Tap outside to close it. It's made to fit any screen, and we'll see how. Step 4. It checks your screen size, half the width on desktops, wider on sideways tablets, almost full on phones. Step 5. It adjusts, wider for tablets, full for phones, staying short to look good. Step 6. Heights capped, taller on desktops, shorter on phones, so it's never too big. Step 7. It's got rounded corners and fades orange to pink. Looks cool. Step 8. Inside, it's stacked, icon up top, text in the middle, buttons below, all centered. Step 9. There's a white warning sign, small on phones, bigger on desktops. Step 10. The sign's small by default, but grows on big screens. Step 11. On desktops, it wiggles to grab your attention. Step 12. Below, a bold title, bigger on desktops, white and clear. Step 13. A message follows, easy to read, growing on big screens. Step 14. Buttons stack on small phones, cancel over proceed. Step 15. On big screens, they're side by side, pink, cancel, orange, proceed. Step 16. Cancel, closes it, proceed, says yes, colors match the fade. Step 17. Buttons are simple to reuse, custom text, round shape. Step 18. Fade and grow are smooth, with an icon bounce on big screens. Step 19. Sizes like spacing are listed, so tweaking's easy. Tap, show warning, and it pops up, colors, icon, buttons. Stacks on phones, lines up on tablets. Tap to close, it fades. Add your words to make it yours.